Alright, here we are digging some potatoes. And I know I dug about, starting about from here. And I started about right here. Started digging these potatoes that are in this wheelbarrow. We got 3 rows. We got 1, 2, 3 rows here in this strip. And last spring we just threw the potatoes right on top of the ground. And then I had some wood chips that I chipped the fall before, and they sat over the winter. And we just covered those potatoes in these wood chips, about 8 inches, 6 inches, 10 inches. It buried, I suppose. And we planted some reds right in here. You can see they really liked it. They're growing like crazy. And I just pull these up right here, and you see it, great big reds. I'm digging them and I'm just flipping the chips over. They've turned to a lot of dirt already. As you can see, there was spruce and a Norway pine, and there's some balsam in there. Not very much for hardwood, really. I'm thinking the potatoes, they like that acidity out of that. But most of the time when these chips break down, they break down to a neutral state anyway. But I'm sure they were still fairly fresh, only from the winter before, or the fall before, so. Yeah. I'm just flipping all these chips over as they go. Oh, that's easy. Well, that was one plant there. No more in there, I gotta watch it. Alright. I think there's only 2 rows in here anyway. Amazing how dark them chips are. It's like turning to nice black soil. This is pretty sandy soil here in Minnesota, northern Minnesota. There ain't much good black dirt, but yeah.